Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kyotokan. I'm Ryusei. Today I introduce my favorite dishes, Agedashi tofu and Agedashi eggplant. Both dishes are very delicious and the way is so simple. And I'll teach you tips to make beautiful and tasty dishes. In my channel, I introduce Japanese food recipe and culture. If you are interested in them, please subscribe my channel. I hope you will enjoy Agedashi tofu and eggplant at home. Yes, let's make it. At first, I'll prepare tofu. This tofu is soft tofu, which is called kinu tofu in Japanese. The feature of kinu tofu is soft and silky texture. Kinu means silk in Japanese. I remove the water from tofu. I place tofu on a sheet of kitchen paper. And I place a sheet of paper again. I put the tray as a weight. I don't need a heavy weight because I do like to keep the adequate moisture of tofu. I let it stand for 30 minutes. Next, I'll make momiji oroshi. Some people misunderstand it is made from carrot. But momiji oroshi is made from white radish and dried chili. It's okay to peel off the skin, but I don't peel off it. I use a bit thick and strong chopstick, and I make a hole with it. The depth is about 3 to 4 centimeters. Good. Then I'll prepare dry chili. I cut it into half, and I remove the seed. Okay. I put dry chili into the whole of the daikon. If you like spicy taste, you can add more red peppers. I let it stand for 30 minutes to reconstitute the chili. Next, I'll cut the green onion. You can use spring onion instead of it. First, I cut off the tips, and I put it into green onions. Good. I cut it into half, and I chop them finely. Today I use mukimono knife. I often use it to cut vegetables. The tip of cutting it beautifully is moving the knife back and forth widely without power. Good. I transfer it to the water. The reason I soak the green onion in the water to remove the pungency. I'm sure this work makes the flavor of green onion sensitive and brings out the delicate flavor of tofu. Okay, I let it stand for 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, I drained it in a sieve. This nice green color makes the finish beautiful. I keep it in the fridge. Before grating the radish, I'll introduce my Japanese graters. I often use these graters. This one is rougher than the other grater. I can get the lovely and crunchy texture of grated radish. And this one is finer, so I can get smooth texture of grated radish. Today I use a fine grater. Let's make momiji oroshi. I grate the radish with chili. I grate it gently. Okay? Good. Momiji oroshi is done. Next, I'll prepare eggplants. Probably Southern Hemisphere will be best season of eggplants. I'll cut it. First, I trim off the head part. And I divide it into half. Then I make finely cut to the surface. It helps to bite it easily and cook it quickly. Okay, I turn it. And I make cuts again. This is a Japanese traditional cutting work which is called kanoko bocho. I make cuts in a mesh pattern. Nice. Then I cut it into bite-sized pieces. Good. I've done cutting the eggplants. I return tofu. The paper absorbs the water. I feel adequate moisture. I transfer it to the cutting board gently, and I cut it into 6 pieces. We can cut it with chopsticks easily, so I recommend to cut it a little bit big. Okay, nice. I prepared tofu as well. Finally, I'll prepare the sauce. This is 320 grams of dashi. I add 40 grams of mirin and 40 grams of soy sauce. That's it. I'll heat it. I turn on the heat. Once the sauce boils, I turn off the heat. The sauce is done. First, I'll deep fry the eggplants. Today I use a potato starch. I coat the eggplant with potato starch. The cuts of eggplant also help to keep the potato starch. Okay. I coat it carefully. Nice. I check the temperature. I recommend to deep fry them around 165 degrees. If the temperature is too low, the eggplants absorb the oil so much. I add eggplants to the oil. I deep fry them for about 3 minutes. I turn over them. I deep fry them until the eggplants become crispy and browned. If I feel the vibration, the eggplants are cooked. Okay, nice browned. Once they become crispy, I remove them. Okay, and then heat the sauce. Okay, the sauce is also ready. Let's arrange it on seiji plate. Seiji is this mint green color. I place the eggplants on seiji plate. Good. And I put the sauce. And I put green onion. At last, I top grated ginger. Eggplant no Agedashi is done. Let's eat it. I dip it to the sauce. Itadakimasu. The eggplant is tender and juicy. It is so delicious. Next, I'll make the sauce for Agedashi tofu. I'll heat the sauce and add the potato starch with water to thicken the sauce. I stir it. Not yet. It's watery. I added more. Not. Again. It is important to add it gradually to make smooth sauce. Okay, perfect. Then I'll deep fry tofu. I also coat it with potato starch. I added all phases of tofu carefully. Okay, I do it all tofu. Good. The temperature of the oil is around 170 degrees. Okay, let's deep fry them. I deep fry them over medium heat until they become crispy and browned. A few minutes later, I turn over them. The bottom side becomes firm. I don't really touch them. Okay, nice browned. Great. I clean the oil carefully. Cleaning the oil helps to make the finish beautiful. The tofu becomes crispy. Okay, I remove them. Good. Perfect. I reheat the sauce. Okay, let's arrange it on a plate. I place tofu on the plate. Okay. I put the sauce over tofu. Okay. I put the green onion and momiji oroshi. Finally, bonito flakes. Agedashi tofu is done. Let's eat it. It is extremely hot. Please take care. Perfect. We can enjoy tofu and eggplant on the same plate. I hope you will enjoy them. Thank you. Did you enjoy? Today I introduced my favorite dishes. These recipes are very simple. I hope you will enjoy Agedashi tofu and eggplant. Thank you for watching to the end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.